Hey everyone, so welcome back to another episode of Documenting Disney. Today I'm going to be adding journaling cards to my album, as well as creating my own journaling cards and creating the shaker pockets. So if you guys already saw, I had created my sequin mix at the beginning of the video. I feel like this sequin mix represents the colors of the collection really well. I only added elements that were in the paper collection that I wanted to use. So ghosts, pumpkins, bats. So I have that. I went ahead and cut up all the journaling cards that I wanted to use. I used my corner chomper and rounded the edges. I also cut up some of the tags that are in the collection as well, and I chose some ephemera that I was wanting to use. So please excuse my voice. I think I might be getting a little sick. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go through my album, kind of see what journaling cards I want where and which ones that I need to create. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew them. I actually want to sew my ephemera onto the cards, so I think that's going to be really, really cute. So let me just go ahead and pull my album and let's see what we need to do. Okay, so what I did off camera is I basically took my little sticky notes. I picked these up at Walmart. I actually like, for once, that it's not so sticky. The adhesive on these, because they come right up and there's no like sticky residue left behind. So basically what I did was I just kind of labeled everything that I wanted to journal. That's what I did. And then when I don't have labeled, I just went ahead and added in my little ephemera pieces for my little kit that I put together. And that's what I'll be sewing. So here I'm gonna sew that little tag onto that, and then I have this little haunted house there. I'm gonna journal here. So you guys get the idea. So I'm back from my sewing machine, and let me show you guys what I did. So there's my stitching there. There's more stitching. I was thinking about it when I was sewing. I don't want to have to use gems, enamel dots. I just want to simply add the ephemera and sew it on. Here is another card. Oh, and then also I thought it might be cute to sew on some of the photos. So I sewed on this little banner that says, "Hey Pumpkin," onto my scarecrow pumpkin. I love when the tail end of the thread gets stuck when you're sewing, especially when you do the zigzag stitch, because I think it just looks really cute. So I have that there. I tried to mix it up a little bit by doing the straight stitch and then a zigzag stitch and then ending with a straight stitch. And let's see, there's a cat. What else? I have this little skeleton guy. I just did one simple stitch along the side of him. And then over here I have this tombstone that says "Creeping It Real, haunting, spooking, partying all night long." And I love the zigzag stitch along the bottom. And then I'm just gonna journal right here about Adam's tooth. Okay guys, so here is a quick flip through of what I have done in this episode of Documenting Disney. So like I said, I have my journaling spots that I'm going to do off camera. I have created my tags and my journaling cards. And then also I have created my shakers. I'm kind of like, I don't know, I should put a shaker at the beginning. Maybe I'll make that my intro page, since I do have room. So with all the shakers that I put in here, this is the room that I still have, which I'm happy with. It's not terrible. All I have to do is journaling and add a couple more shaker things, and I think I'm good. So there'll be one more episode of Documenting Disney after this, and it's gonna be where I'm completely done with it. I'm going to probably do a process video on some shaker pages, and I'm going to show you the final flip through. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on another Documenting Disney. Love you guys. Bye.